When you think of backyard furniture, a massage chair probably doesn't come to mind. You probably think of this, or this. This is Matt Thompson.
I make things that are pretty crazy, impractical, over the top, kind of cool, I think.
He brought the comfort of a massage chair into his backyard. But this chair isn't Matt's only creation. He's created multiple chairs with one goal in mind: to help you kick back and relax. Matt's been working with wood for over 25 years.
My wife and I started a family young, and we were pretty broke. So if there was something that we wanted but couldn't afford, I was going to have to learn how to make it. And that's basically how I got my start in woodworking.
But how did he get from there to here? Well, Matt put his woodworking skills and mechanic knowledge together with a fun idea to create this: the Michigan beer chair. He had already been making normal Adirondack chairs in Michigan's famous mitten shape. So, when he came up with the idea of attaching a cooler to that chair, he was able to work the rest of Michigan's shape into his design. And with that, the beer dispensing chair was born. Matt's latest creation is the back scratching chair, which mimics what a massage chair in your home would do. Like every creation, it starts with an idea. Once that's out of the way, Matt begins the hardest part of the process: getting the idea from inside his head out into the real world.
You have this funny, crazy idea in your mind, and you really want it to work, and you draw it out on paper, it looks like it's going to work. But until you can build a functional prototype, you just don't know.
So, how does he get it to work? After sketching the idea onto paper, he begins working on a prototype, which starts with building one of these. Matt focuses on what the main functions of the chair are. For this one, that's making these and mounting them. Next up is the gears. These require figuring out how many he will need, how fast they need to go, and their size. Once they're all made, Matt puts them in place and tests the function each step of the way. If something doesn't work, he has to figure out what needs to change. This can be tedious. Matt uses a drill to get all the gears to spin. He sets it to the right speed and secures it. And just like that, it comes alive. But why outdoor furniture?
I think most people can relate to just chilling outside on a nice day, and to have a chair that can serve you a beer, pour you a glass of wine, or scratch your back would just make it that much better.
Although his main focus is making his life easier for humans, that didn't stop him from branching out into the world of our furry friends. This is called the automatic dog petter. It's there for your dog when you can't be. Woodworking is now more of a hobby for Matt, but that doesn't stop him from coming up with more innovative ideas. In fact, he's already working on his next creation. This time, it's one of these.
What I'm working on now is a prototype for a picnic table that will not only serve you drinks, but it will also grill hot dogs for you.
Which chair would you want in your backyard?